In this problem, we're asked to do a simple conversion, and we are converting, let me see my problem, 25.5 milligrams to grams. And in order to do this, this is just going to be a one-step conversion. We know that there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. So I'm going to use 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. This will cross off, and this will equal 0.005